Hello guys and welcome to another video on Techies Guru. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to register in 9Anime, but before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and on the search bar type 9animetv.to. After that, you'll be led to this page, and then on the top right corner you can see the profile icon. Tap on it. Then you'll get a pop-up window as such. Down the pop-up window you can see the register option. You tap on it. This will lead you to another pop-up window where you'll be registering to become a member of the site. For this, you simply enter your name and then your email. After that, you enter a password that you'd like to set for this account, and now you simply tap on register. Once you have tapped on register, your account will be created and you will be able to log into 9Anime and access all of the features and services that are available to registered users. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.